Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to enable the camera zoom button on your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max. So if you want to be able to zoom in and zoom out using the camera control button on your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max when taking a picture or making videos on your device, I'll show you how to do that in this video. So first things first, you want to open up the settings of your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max, and you want to scroll all the way down until you get to the camera settings, and then at the top you're going to see the camera control settings. Select that, and first and foremost you have to make sure that it actually launches the camera. So the camera control button should launch the camera. Make sure it is set to camera, and then just at the bottom here we have the camera adjustment settings. Make sure that this is actually turned on. So if it is turned off in your case, you turn it on, then go into customization, and then make sure that zoom is actually selected from over here as well. So from this list of controls, make sure that the zoom option is actually checked, and once that is done, you can use the camera control button to open up the camera, and while making a video or taking pictures on your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max, you can just swipe through the camera control button to zoom in and zoom out. So you can see currently it's in 1x. I'm just going to do that again. You can see this is 1x, and you can see I am now back to 0.5. You can also just swipe like so to go to 1.2. You can swipe like so to go to 2. You can also swipe like so to zoom in more, then also swipe out to zoom out as well. Finally, if you actually want to take a picture, you can just press on the camera control button fully to take a picture and it will be saved. You can also long press on it, hold, to actually make a video on your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max. That will be all on this video. Please let me know if this tutorial was helpful, guys.